It's one of two things. It's making sure you have something to say in the context of having a USP, having a unique selling point, and it's making sure that just on a very basic level, you have enough words to fill it out. And after that, it's all about putting it together in a cohesive, in a really well thought through manner to create a really compelling narrative. So that comes down to a very simple thing: structure. A decent op-ed demands a decent structure.
How you structure the article is so important, especially when a lot of the time we're working with academics and they're used to writing for academic journals, which is so different to writing for general media. When you're looking at structuring an article for the media, where do you begin? Personally, I like to start with the headline. A snappy headline really keeps me to the point, on message, because I know what I'm writing about. I have the brief, I have the topic. So a clear headline to begin with really helps me personally then write the flow of the article.